It's Valentine's Day again. Now for some of you, you might be saying, wow, what an awesome day it is, especially if you are in a monogamous relationship and having a great time. But for other people, today might be one of those tricky days. Your last year's Valentine might be celebrating Valentine's Day with somebody else. So let me give you a couple of good ideas today about why Valentine's Day is good. And I'll give them to you right out of my childhood. I don't know about you, but when we were growing up, we used to go to school and everybody would get a couple of these hearts. Do you remember them? Every single one of them had a great thought on them. Without question, every single one of them had a great thought. When we were in grammar school, everybody used to get a Valentine. Not just one person, but everybody got a Valentine. If you were a girl, you got Girl Talk. If you were a boy, you might have gotten G.I. Joe or Scooby-Doo, but every single person got a Valentine. The third thing, and I recognize I am dating myself, but that's okay. When we went to school, before the days when everything had to be pre-wrapped, moms used to make cupcakes, and every single child in class got their own cupcake. And you know why? Because every single child in that class was worthy of a Valentine. So, let me give you a thought for today. You don't have to worry about today being a good Valentine, a bad Valentine. Think about this. Every single day that you go out can be Valentine's Day. You can look at every single person, share a good thought with them, give them a good word for the day. It could be the lady who's helping you at the grocery stand. It could be a little grandma who's standing right before you. It could be your neighbor. It could be a perfect stranger. Or it could be someone in your own home that you love. Think about sharing a good sentiment with them today. And then you could be a little bit like, remember Sandra Bullock in the movie Miss Congeniality? And her God was saying, wear the crown, be the crown. Well, guess what? You can be the heart of everyone's Valentine Day, every single day of the year. Hope it gives you something great to think about, whether or not you are in that monogamous relationship today. Have a great one. This has been Maura with Maura for You.